Hello, today I will be telling you how to install and download VMware Workstation Pro 16 version. You need to type VMware Workstation Pro 16 download. Pro download and enter. Click on the first link and scroll down and you will see Workstation Pro for Windows. Download it. Okay, it will take some time to open. So when it is open, you have to click next, accept all terms and agreements, next. It's up to you, you can check both. I will change my location where I need to install, so I will install in my D directory rather than installing on this C directory. Press OK. Next. And uncheck these. So for me, I need only desktop, that's why I checked that one. Click next and install.
Thousand years later.
So the installation is finished. If you have a key, you can tap on license and enter the key. I will avail the trial version and I will open the VMware Workstation. So it is successfully opened. Thanks for watching.